Hello, in this video, I am going to show you how students can get to their assignments for each week. So in my teacher page, there's a link that says 1D Learn from Home Schedule. So students will click this every day that they are working on assignments. It says on my schedule from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. each day that students are to be working. Obviously, that is going to be tailored around the availability that you have as a family. So, if students all have to do work, later in the afternoon around 6 or 7, or if they have to do it earlier in the morning, um, there's no restriction as to when students do work, but just for the sake of my schedule, I put from the hours of 10 to 4. Students aren't going to be working all day. The assignments are not an all-day task, but again, um, just ideally, students around those hours will be doing some sort of work on their assignments. But again, there is, your judgment call because you obviously students have to be able to access it. So if they're doing work later in the afternoon, then that's totally fine. So students will click on the student work link that is highlighted, and this week's they will open up this week's assignments. On Mondays, students are only watching reading and a math video. So when I have the link to those videos, they will click here for reading and then they will click here for math. Those videos are about 20 to 25 minutes each. So that is definitely sufficient for an assignment for students. So they won't need to do any other work on Monday. On Tuesday, they are choosing an activity from this choice board here in one of the colored rows. Wednesday, they are doing another round of video. So there's a different reading video and a different math video. Again, those videos are about 20 to 25 minutes each. So that's sufficient for Wednesday. They will watch both of those videos. Thursday and Friday, they again are just choosing an activity or two from the choice board. Ideally, we would want them doing one from each of the color categories, but students do get to choose which activities they would like to do. If you have any more questions about the assignments that students are supposed to do, please reach out to me so that I can help you and your student find that activity.